How to withdraw to a UK bank account from Binance. So the first most common way is to convert your balance to crypto, such as USDT or whatever coin. And then you want to withdraw it to another wallet, such as Coinbase, because Binance doesn't support UK withdrawals. To do that, you want to click on the assets button on the bottom right. And then you want to click on the coin that you have. So for example, USDT, and then click on send, and then click on withdraw crypto, and simply scan the address of the other wallet, such as a Coinbase wallet. You can send the address to yourself or use the QR code button to scan, which is on the right side. And then depending on the address, it should tell you which network to use. So you can simply look for it and select it from here and specify the amount. And then click on the withdraw button to withdraw the funds or the crypto and send it to the other wallet. And then on the other wallet, you want to basically sell it for GBP, or you can withdraw to your UK bank account. Most people use Coinbase or Kraken, from Binance to Coinbase or Kraken. And the second method, and it's probably has the highest risk, is doing P2P trading directly. So you can go back to the home page and then click on the P2P or look for it in the search bar. And all you need to do is on the top right, you want to select your local currency, and you should find all the available offers. Now in here, you want to click on ads and create an ad or post an ad to sell crypto and to deal with real people buying from you. So you're basically going to wait for someone to buy crypto from you. They're going to pay you in real money to your UK bank account, and they're going to receive your crypto. And once you've checked your bank account for the payment, if you've received the payment, you can release the crypto to them. And that's how it works. You can post an ad by clicking on post ad here, and then fill in all the details, the asset you have with the fiat, for example, GBP, fix the price and specify the price, and then click on next to continue and fill out the information and the payment time limit. And once you post your ad, all you got to do is wait for someone, or you can actively look for someone by going back to the P2P page. And if you're holding a balance, you can switch to the sell tab and look for someone with a decent price that basically pays you via a bank transfer. And then you can click on the sell button and specify how much you want to sell them in your coin. And they will ask you for your bank details to pay you, and then you can release the crypto to them if they sent you the payment to your bank account. Just be careful because there's so many scammers here. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.